Designs. Today, we will share with you extraordinary cargo container homes design ideas and guide, design tips and inspiring ideas to create your dream container home. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we delves into the world of unconventional living spaces today. We're setting our sights on cargo container homes, a trend that's rapidly gaining traction for its unique aesthetics, sustainability, and affordability. Buckle up as we explore the nitty-gritty of these extraordinary abodes. Imagine sturdy steel boxes traditionally used for shipping goods across continents, transformed into stylish, modern dwellings. That's the essence of cargo container homes. These innovative structures utilize repurposed shipping containers, either new or used, as the primary building blocks for creating homes of various sizes and styles. The appeal of cargo container homes goes beyond their industrial chic. Let's delve into the key advantages that make them a compelling choice. First, affordability. Compared to traditional builds, cargo container homes offer significant cost savings. The structure itself is readily available, and construction time is often faster due to the prefabricated nature of the containers. Second, sustainability. By reusing existing containers, you're contributing to a more eco-friendly approach to construction. They're also inherently durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions. Third, versatility. Don't be fooled by the boxy shape. Cargo containers can be stacked, joined together, or even split level to create homes with a variety of layouts and sizes, catering to different needs and preferences. Fourth, durability. Shipping containers are built to endure the rigors of sea travel, making them inherently strong and resistant to elements like wind, rain, and fire. Fifth, relocation potential. Depending on the foundation and construction methods used, some cargo container homes can be surprisingly portable. This offers a degree of flexibility, allowing you to relocate your home if needed. Now that you're intrigued by the concept, let's explore how to personalize your cargo container home. Here are some key considerations for decorating cargo container homes. First, functionality. Carefully assess your needs and lifestyle. How much space do you require? How many bedrooms and bathrooms are necessary? Sketching out a floor plan will help visualize the flow and functionality of your home. Second, natural light. Shipping containers can feel dark and confined. Strategically placed windows and skylights are crucial for bringing in natural light and creating an airy ambience. Third, ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential to prevent moisture buildup and ensure a comfortable living environment. Consider installing exhaust fans and strategically placed vents. Fourth, insulation. Steel conducts heat and cold readily. Effective insulation in walls, floors, and ceilings is paramount for maintaining a comfortable temperature year-round. Fifth, plumbing and electrical. These systems require expertise to ensure safety and functionality. Hiring licensed professionals for plumbing and electrical installation is crucial. There isn't a single best facade style for cargo container homes, as the ideal choice depends on your personal taste and the overall vision for your home. However, some styles consistently shine for cargo container homes. 1. Industrial chic. This embraces the container's inherent character. Exposed corrugated metal, painted black or left natural, creates a bold statement. Alternatively, metal cladding with wood accents around doors or windows offers a touch of warmth. 2. Balancing industrial. Here, you soften the industrial vibe while maintaining its essence. Wood cladding in cedar or reclaimed wood adds a rustic touch, while sleek, painted wood brings a contemporary feel. Stucco finishes offer a clean, modern look, and you can play with colors to achieve the desired mood. 3. Nature-inspired. This approach creates a connection with the environment. Living walls with climbing vines soften the lines and add life, while natural stone veneer provides a rustic or earth-toned aesthetic. And to complete your inspiration, hear these the compilation of top 10 cargo container home ideas to spark your creativity. 1. Modern minimalist. Embrace clean lines, monochromatic palettes, and ample natural light to create a sleek and sophisticated dwelling. 2. Rustic retreat. Introduce exposed wood beams, warm textures, and natural materials for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 3. Industrial chic. Highlight the inherent industrial aesthetic of the containers with exposed corrugated metal walls, polished concrete floors, and statement lighting. 4. Shipping container pool house. Transform a container into a stylish poolside haven with an open layout, comfortable seating, and a refreshment area. 5. Home office haven. Create a dedicated workspace with excellent soundproofing and plenty of storage for a productive and organized work environment. 6. Studio escape. Artists and creatives can rejoice. A container home offers a dedicated space for artistic pursuits with ample natural light and a customizable layout. 7. Stacked sanctuary. For multi-story living, explore stacking containers vertically, creating a unique and spacious home with dramatic interior design possibilities. 8. Shipping container cabin. Nestled amidst nature, a container cabin provides a cozy and sustainable retreat for weekend getaways or off-grid living. 9. Shipping container bar. Entertain in style with a converted container featuring a custom bar, lounge area, and statement lighting for a memorable social space. 10. Shipping container rental unit. Invest in a container home as a unique and potentially lucrative rental property. Cargo container homes offer a unique canvas for design enthusiasts. Cargo container homes present a compelling alternative for those seeking a sustainable, affordable, and stylish living space. Their versatility allows for endless design possibilities, catering to minimalist tastes, industrial chic enthusiasts, and nature lovers alike. With careful planning and a touch of creativity, you can transform a humble shipping container into a dream home that reflects your unique personality. Feeling inspired? Head over to the comment section below and share your dream cargo container home design ideas. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Decor Designs channel for more inspiring design content. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.